Hey everyone, what's up? In this video, we're diving into the world of After Effects and uncovering a mind-blowing masking technique. Get ready to learn how to duplicate yourself, creating the illusion of two of you in the same scene. It's gonna be awesome, so buckle up and let's get started. We're gonna use this video to download it, the link in the description. Here I will make a marker when the person pretend he is talking to someone by clicking on Shift 9, and put a marker here when the person finished talking and before he is going back by clicking on Shift 8. And cut it by clicking on Ctrl Shift D. Now let's move to the moment when the same person came from the other side and cut the video. Delete this part, we don't need it. Grab the other clip to the first one. Now let's see when the other person talking and put a marker. Right click and select markers. Add marker. As you see, this is another kind of marker. The first one, it's a marker on the timeline, but this one it's on the video. Now let's put this marker under first one, where the two person were talking. Now I will use the pen tool to create a mask. Here we need to extend the mask more to the left. Create a keyframe here in Mask Path. Adjust the mask to avoid any mistakes. As you see here, we need to fix the sharp edges.